Welcome to Good Thoughts Podcast. I'm Joan Epler. Today, we're going to talk about unwinding your life with quantum biology. Join me with Dr. Gary Epler, founder of Eplerian life philosophy.
I'm Dr. Gary Epler. Learn to use the human brain with quantum biology, Eplerian life philosophy for optimal health, maximal performance, and enduring joy. People are wound up and not being their true, authentic selves.
What do you mean by people are wound up?
The world is filled with uncertainty and emotional turmoil. Individuals are reacting by turning to their survival mode thinking, leading to dependency or isolation from others.
What's survival mode thinking, and where does it come from?
Survival mode thinking means you're thinking about yourself and focused on your own needs at the exclusion of others. Thinking about yourself causes stress, leading to inflammation, heart attacks, and a shortened lifespan. This harmful thinking comes from the primitive brain operating on instincts.
What thoughts and negative feelings come from the primitive brain?
These thoughts and feelings include complaining, criticizing, blame, judgment, self-pity, resentment, and jealousy, entitlement, guilt, and worry. Toxic and harmful behaviors from the primitive brain include hatred, manipulation, gaslighting, demanding, revenge, greed, controlling, and seeking power.
What do you mean by thinking from the human brain?
Shift from the negative primitive brain to thinking from the human brain for authenticity, kindness, and helping others. Using the human brain eliminates survival mode thinking.
How do you use the human brain?
Slow the brainwaves to the alpha state. People are conditioned to use the primitive brain at a higher beta state. We need to learn to use the human brain by slowing brainwaves.
How do you slow brainwaves?
Daydreaming is the alpha state. Remember, staring out the window, lost in thought? Duplicate this feeling, and you're in the alpha state. Meditation is the alpha state, including traditional eyes closed meditation or eyes open meditation going for a hike. Self-guided visualization meditation is an excellent technique.
What happens in the alpha state?
This is where humans reside. Using the heart for kindness, the gut for risk management, the body for strength, and the mind for creativity.
Can you experience kindness or creativity in survival mode thinking?
Nope, it's impossible. These are human traits occurring at a different brainwave frequency. The primitive brain is at a higher stress frequency than the alpha state.
What's the function of the heart in the alpha state?
Your heart's top priority is to keep itself healthy in all situations, making decisions that are best for your health. Think from your heart, not the indecisive primitive brain, for life-changing decisions. New job, new relationship, listen to your heart. You receive a yes or no answer that's best for your health long-term.
The heart can make decisions that are best for your health. What feelings come from your heart?
Positive feelings from your heart include kindness, love, unconditional giving, gratitude, appreciation, empathy, forgiveness, and respect. During troubling times, be kind to yourself. You instantly shift the bad feeling from the primitive brain to feeling good about yourself from your heart.
Where does quantum biology come in?
Quantum biology, based on century-old quantum physics, gives you kindness from your heart that you can feel throughout your body. This is quantum tunneling, allowing feelings to pass through obstacles instantly. Quantum tunneling enables a person to feel kindness and healing energy from family, friends, and people around the world, even during a coma.
What's the function of the mind in the alpha state?
The mind is the universe outside the body containing all information and knowledge. At age 25, individuals develop the interdependent stage of relying on each other and helping each other as thinking is shifted from the primitive brain's self-centered, harmful thinking to human brain's capacity for kindness, mutual support, and its newfound ability to connect to the mind. The function of the mind is creativity and innovation.
What are the feelings in the mind?
In the alpha state, feelings in the mind include soothing calm, total acceptance, profound joy, courage, inspiration, confidence, curiosity, resilience, concentration, discipline, determination, persistence, attention, responsibility, enthusiasm, trust, awe, and wonder.
Where does quantum entanglement fit in?
Quantum entanglement links the human brain and the mind. This connection distinguishes us as humans, setting us apart from other species. Through entanglement, we gain access to the mind to help others and innovation to improve lives.
What about quantum superposition?
Quantum superposition excludes harmful primitive brain thinking, eliminating stress. Superposition enables us to think from our heart with kindness, the gut with risk management, the body with strength, and the mind all at the same time, excluding primitive brain thinking.
How can people manage stress with the 10-second stress rule?
Healthy stress builds strength and progress, but harmful stress destroys our health. Stress lasting less than 10 seconds won't trigger the cortisol inflammatory response. To manage stress, instantly shift your thinking from problems and negative thoughts to kindness and helping others.
How does quantum superposition eliminate stress?
Superposition eliminates stress by allowing us to think from our heart and our mind simultaneously in the alpha state, automatically eliminating stress associated with the higher beta brainwave state.
How does the quantum observer effect instantly eliminate situational stress?
The quantum observer changes stressful reality into a stress-free state. By choosing not to engage in stressful situations, we can shift reality and eliminate stress. If you see an argument, don't look. No stress. You hear criticism and negative comments, don't listen. No stress. Make a mistake or reject it, don't think. There is no memory, and it never happened.
Unwind your life by using the human brain for being your true, authentic self. Do you have any closing comments?
Learn how to use the human brain by slowing brain waves to the alpha state for being your authentic human self. Quantum tunneling gives you kindness. Quantum entanglement connects us to the mind. Quantum superposition eliminates stress. Think from your heart with kindness, and the mind with solving problems and helping others. Thrive on your uniqueness.
This is Joan Epler and Dr. Gary Epler, closing this Good Thoughts podcast. Best wishes for good health.